Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Now this video, guys, I'm making it's about cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin game, guys. I think it's very important to set up your free account because the country say they don't have no coins no more, so they're not gonna give you change back. And I believe that this world is becoming more digital now. So I'll advise everyone to get into the crypto like Bitcoins. And they got more other coins too, and I'll show you guys. But Bitcoin is the number one, and I believe that that's the future, guys. So you want to learn this, so I'm gonna show you a few things. I just opened my eyes up yesterday, but I had one before a couple years ago, and I made a lot of money when it went up a little bit, and I sold everything, and I just never did it again. But now I opened a new account up, and I'm gonna start investing in Bitcoins, guys. One reason that I'm gonna start investing in Bitcoins is because they said by the next 10 to 20 years, each Bitcoin is going to be worth $100,000. So, if you own one, and I'll show you the price in a minute also what one costs. But when I first got into Bitcoin with Coinbase, I think Bitcoin was like $900 a Bitcoin. Um, then it went to 21,000 a Bitcoin. So I'm not gonna miss this wave this time. All right, guys. First thing you want to do is you want to go to this page right here, Adrian. That's my name. I invite you to try Coinbase for free. And the good thing about it, guys, once you set everything up, you get $10 once you put $100 into the Bitcoin platform. So okay. Now this the platform right here, guys, Coinbase. See, I'm already verified. I already got my payment method already. Woo. Next, I'm gonna buy crypto. Um, so right now, the Bitcoin price is at 9,200, right there, guys, and $2.55. So that's the price, the current price. I knew about this when it was like $600, guys. I should have been buying this, and each $600 I would have bought, it would have been $9,202.82. But they said in the next 20 years or below, this gonna be $100,000. So I'm gonna start buying my Bitcoin very fast. Now, the way you can send funds to people once you got money in there, just enter their email address right there, or their address, or you can receive funds, guys. And this is your Bitcoin address right here. And all you gotta do is click this button right here and copy right there. What else I can show you real quick before I trade? You can trade on the Coinbase platform if you want. Once you add money, by just clicking on that and put how much money right there and you want to buy, hypothetically. And then once you got money and you made money, you can click on sell, guys. And I'm already got my bank connected to it already right there. Now, another platform they own is called Coinbase Pro. Now, this is their personal market right here, and you can buy it strictly from here, guys. And you can set different things up if you want, like deposit, withdrawals, and as soon as you connect, you got your username and password and all that connected. You'll be automatic connected to this trading platform, guys. You don't got to log in or nothing once you log in Coinbase, and it's called Coinbase Pro. It's the trading platform. And there's different things you can trade, guys. You just don't got to do Bitcoin on this platform. You can do many right here, guys. So, but Bitcoin is the number one. So I always do that one first to learn, how to do this platform. But the beautiful thing about this platform, guys, is you can put stop loss in. You can look at the market. You can do so much. You can you want to buy it right now. That's the market. Limit order is if the Bitcoin go down to I don't know, 99,000, then you buy, and then when you want to sell, all you got to do is just sell it. And you can withdraw the money and deposit the money to your bank or back to the Coinbase platform right here. So this is guys, I would say I would definitely open up your free account. I'm gonna leave all the link below, guys. Set up your free account, uh, learn the platform, go to Coinbase Pro, and I might have another video one of my friends did to explain how this exactly works, guys, because this right here is still new to me right here. Because usually I just do the forex market, so this will be fun. Me learning how to do this exactly because I know how to read the charts like that. So this will be exciting to get involved with. All right, guys. Once again, I just want to share with you guys, but I'll leave all the information that you can sign up for your free account right here, guys. And you get $10 once you deposit, I think $100 into the Coinbase platform, guys. All right, guys. Happy what today is? Wednesday, right? Yeah. Happy Wednesday, guys. Peace and love from your boy A.